So, good morning, class 8 children. Today we'll go for chapter number 12, friction for practice. Already we had practiced it or we had revised this chapter, but now let's do it in the another form, filling the blanks. Kindly raise hand those who know the answer. First question is, force acting on our body can be measured by? Yes, Sanshika.
Ma'am, spring balance.
Yes. So children, just see to it. Force acting on a body can be measured by a spring balance. Number 2, friction is, yes, Tanya, is caused by the dash on the two surfaces in contact. Think and answer, children. Think and raise your hands. Rest. How friction is caused? Everybody has read this. Kindly raise hand. Friction is caused by? Only Anshika will give answer. Rest, nobody has raised hand. Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, irregularities.
Yes, friction is always caused due to the irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Okay. Next, number 3, frictional force exerted by fluids is also called? Yes, Pari Agarwal. Number 3,
Ma'am, drag.
drag. D-R-A-G. It is known as drag. Number 4, drag. Number 4, the frictional force on an object in a fluid depends upon its, Tanya.
Ma'am, speed and nature.
I think 3 are there. You may tell.
Ma'am, shape.
Huh?
Ma'am, shape.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
shape.
शेप शेप चिल्ड्रन बाकी बच्चे भी ध्यान रख सकते हैं. शेप, स्पीड एंड थर्ड इज
Nature.
नेचर. नेक्स्ट, डैश कैन बी यूज्ड टू रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शन. Rest can also raise hand and even switch on the cameras. Children, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, oil or grease.
Huh? Dash can
Oil or grease.
all of
Ma'am, lubricants. Ma'am,
lubricant.
lubricants.
But only the words you have to fill. All of these तो दिया ही नहीं है.
Lubricants can be used to reduce the friction.
Dash.
Ma'am, oil.
ऑयल भी यूज लिख सकते हो आप. ऑयल और लुब्रिकेंट्स यू मे राइट डाउन. ऑयल्स एंड लुब्रिकेंट्स आर यूज्ड टू रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शन. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 6, dash is also produced with friction.
Ma'am, heat.
Heat can be produced. Next, the shape of the object moving in the fluid is dash to overcome the force of friction. Kindly raise hand.
Ma'am,
children.
streamlined.
Raise your hand only, then I can ask. Shape of the object, that is streamlined. Streamlined. Next, dash are used in the machines to protect their surfaces due to the ball
Ma'am,
bearing.
lubricant.
Lubricants we are using. Next, soapy floor is slippery due to? Yes, Arav Sehgal.
Ma'am, reduce. Less friction.
Is
Ma'am, less
slippery
friction.
due to the less friction. Less friction. Next, Pari Agarwal. Ball bearing are used to convert static friction into? Yes, Pari.
Ma'am, rolling friction.
It will be rolling. Rolling friction. Okay. Why is it difficult to walk on a smooth and wet floor? So means when the floor is wet and smooth, it's very difficult to move on it. Yes, Neha, can you give the reason?
Ma'am, it is difficult to walk.
Yes,
Ma'am,
continue.
can I?
Yes, continue.
Ma'am,
Continue.
it is difficult to walk on wet floor because the layer of water makes floor smooth and the coating of water reduce the friction. Foot cannot allow the grip on the floor.
Okay. I want the answer from anybody else also. Yes, Ananya Kahara. Saksham Tiwari.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Saksham Tiwari, will you give the answer? Yes, Tanya, speak.
Ma'am, it is difficult to walk on the smooth and wet surface because there was very less friction.
Less friction is there, and the grip is, friction is less, no grip is there, and we can easily slip on the smooth floor. So that's why it is very difficult to walk on it. Grip is less. Next, why front portion of an aeroplane has a spherical shape or in a streamlined shape? Why it is so? Front part of the aeroplane you must have seen. So why it is so? Yes, Pari Agarwal. Yash Jain, Saksham Tiwari, Anya, Ananya Kahara, Saksham Vasanwal. Any one of you can give the answer. Everybody has seen the front portion of aeroplane has a spherical shape or is streamlined. Why the shape is streamlined? Nobody? Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, to reduce the air drag or friction due to air.
Simply, children, you know, there is a friction in the air also. So to reduce that friction, the shape of the objects which are in the air or in the water, they are made like this. उनकी जो shape है वो इस तरह की shape बनाई जाती है. Okay, they are made streamlined. So this question already we have done. Even the objects which are moving in the water, that also exert a force of friction. So that's why their shape is made in such a way they can exert a less friction. Next, number 4. On what principle do ball bearing work? Children, raise hand and switch on your cameras so that I can see you. Anya, Priyanshi, Saksham, Saksham Tiwari, Neha, Yash Jain. Kindly give the answer for this question. Why it is so? On what principle do the ball bearing work? You have read already. Ball bearing is for what purpose? And why they, on what principle do they work? Ananya Kahara, Arav Segal. Still cameras are off. Pari, can I have the answer from your side? Or Tanya, Neha?
Ma'am, because in ball
Ma'am.
bearing, ma'am, the ball bearing was used in machines and it reduced friction and it is the example of rolling friction.
Okay. It reduces the friction. Main purpose is that it reduces the friction. Yes, Neha, what you want to say about this question?
Ma'am, ball bearing works on the principle of rolling friction and it is reduce the friction.
Used to reduce the friction. Okay. Next, number 5. Give construction and working of the spring balance. Draw the diagram also. So it is given in a first page or second page of your book of this chapter, in which the diagram of the spring balance is there and construction and working. It has not been explained well, but whatever is given, you may write down that only. Okay. Next, force of friction is much greater on a rough surface. You know that force of friction is more, so you need to explain and give sport few of the activities in support of your answer. So where you have seen that force of friction is much on the rough surface, kindly give the examples in that case. Or we have to make, sometime what happens, we need to make the surface rough. We need to make surface rough to increase friction. Why it is so? Children, you have seen that in the coming days when the snowfall will be there and it is very difficult to move on the snow. So what the people do? They just throw the sand in front of their houses to move it, to move on it. Okay, otherwise it's very much difficult to move on a snow. So means they make the surface rough. Snow is smoother and they make the surface rough by throwing sand on that surface. Any other example you may give where we need to increase the friction? Any other examples? Any one of you? You must have seen the kabaddi players. What they do? Kabaddi player, what they put on their hand? Kabaddi player, what they put on their hand before fighting?
Ma'am, sand.
Yes, they apply sand or any of the coarse material on their hand so that their hands should be rough for the proper grip. Even the gymnast, they also, whenever they move for their activities, they just put a coarse material on their hand so that their hand should be rough for the proper grip. So means we need to sometime we put the rough material or we make the surface rough so that the friction will be more. Give some advantages of friction. Write are 2 advantages of okay, first you have to give the advantages of simple friction. Yes, Pari or Arav, you may give the answer. What are the advantages of friction? Simply friction here we are talking about. Arav, give the answer. Ananya, Prasad.
Ma'am, due to friction, we are able to write and walk.
Yes. Or we can write on the blackboard.
We can move the vehicles.
Yes, vehicles are able to move on the road. Yes.
Ma'am, without friction, no building could be constructed.
No building could be constructed. So these are the advantages of friction. Now in question number 8, it has been asked 2 advantages of rolling friction. So especially here, it has been asked for the rolling friction. So what can you say? Advantages of rolling friction. Is it easy for you to roll a luggage as compared to pick it or to slide? Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, it makes easy to roll a luggage.
Yes.
To roll a heavy luggage.
Moreover, you can say that very less force is required. आपने देखा होगा, even the child can roll that. He can also push that, the heavy luggage. So it becomes very much easy because less force is required in case of the rolling friction. So less force is required. We don't have to apply much of the force, and rolling friction is easier than both or other type of the frictions. Next, mention 2 ways to reduce friction. How the friction can be reduced. So already we have discussed. I want the repetition. Yash and Anya. Saksham Vasanwal,
can I
Saksham Tiwari. Yes. Yes, Tanya.
Ma'am, when we take off the powder on the carom board, it reduces the friction and easy to move the disc.
Yes, okay. Sprinkling of the powder on the carom used to reduce the friction. Using oil lubricants in the machinery, that also reduces the friction. Next, differentiate between a static and sliding friction. Prateksha, you have joined late in the class. Saksham Tiwari, Anya, Saksham Vasanwal, Yash Jain, Aryan Singh, Aditya Jain. Differentiate between static and sliding friction. Again, few children are responding only in the class. Kindly give the answer. Yes, Pari, give the answer of this question. Differentiate between static and sliding friction. Yes, Pari Agarwal.
When the body is in stationary or is at rest, the frictional force acting on the body is known as static force. But when we push an already moving object, the friction that comes into play is sliding friction.
Okay, fine. Next is two objects A and B, one over the another, are moving with the same velocity. Which of the following statement can be true for it? So I hope you have understood the question. Understood or not? Two objects A and B, one over the other, are moving with the same velocity. Velocity you can take with the same speed, they are moving over one another. So which can be true? Which statement is true for it? Friction on A is in the forward direction. Friction A is in the backward direction. Friction on B is in the forward direction. No friction acts between A and B. So what do you think can be the true? Situation is in front of you. Two objects A and B over one another are moving with the same velocity. Same velocity के साथ move कर रहे हैं.
No friction acting between A and B.
Okay, here is another worksheet. First question is match the following. Spring balance, with whom you can match?
Ma'am, measure force.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Measuring
measuring
force.
force.
Measuring force.
Okay. Other?
Ma'am, drag.
Fluid friction, drag, polishing surface. Polished surface. What
Reduce the
does
friction.
reduce the friction?
Use the friction.
Wheels with the
Ma'am, rolling.
rolling friction. Streamlined body, what they do? Streamlined body also what it does? It reduce the friction. Streamlined body with reduce करती है friction. And lubricants what they do?
Ma'am, reduce the
Ma'am,
friction.
reduce the
They
friction.
also reduce the friction. See, so our answer is correct. Seen everybody? Next is true and false. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. So will it be true or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. It
Ma'am,
always-
true.
Yes, because friction always opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces. Friction is necessary evil. Is it true?
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it is true. Why it is false?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Friction is a necessary evil. ये तो अभी हमारा क्वेश्चन भी था. It's necessary as well as evil. Next, irregularities between two surfaces interlock to produce friction.
Ma'am,
True.
true.
Again, it is true. Let's see. Friction depends upon the nature of the surface in contact.
Ma'am,
True.
Again, it is true. Next, sliding friction is more than the static friction.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false.
Friction produces heat.
True.
True.
Sole of a shoes and tires of the treaded to reduce the friction.
Ma'am, true.
Rolling friction is smaller than sliding.
True.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
true.
let's see the solution. What we had done. Is it true? 9th is false. And E is false. Rest all are true.
Ma'am, screen is black.
Is it to all? Not
No,
able to.
ma'am.
9th is false. Children, only one is wrong. Rest all are true. So just see to it why it is so. 9th is false. The shoes, sole of shoes and tires are treaded to increase the friction or to reduce the friction. Why the tires are like this?
Ma'am, screen is black.
I think it's only your part. The problem is on your part. Rest are able to see. I had asked to them. Next, check on your part. Next is conceptual questions. Why it is children? So already we have done this question. If any of the question you are not able to get, you may ask. The handle of a cricket bat or a badminton racket is usually made rough. So I hope you know the answer for this. Why they are used to made rough?
Ma'am, to increase the grip.
To increase the grip. Okay. Next, frictional force is an example of what type of force it is?
Non-contact.
Frictional frictional force is a contact force, beta. Frictional force is a contact force. Friction can never be entirely zero. Friction can never be zero. Okay. Next, SI.
we write eliminated?
Yes, we can write them. Eliminated. Friction can never be eliminated. SI unit of force of friction is
Newton.
Newton. As same the units of force, that is Newton. Again, the same question we are getting. Dash is a device used for measuring the force acting
Spring
on an
balance.
object.
Spring balance.
Spring balance.
Direction of the force of friction is always
Opposite.
opposite to the
Opposite.
direction of motion. Okay. Substance called dash are used to reduce friction.
Lubricant.
Lubricants. So children, these were the question answers or the fill-ups or the conceptual question answers of chapter number 12. Okay.